In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set an envelope expiration date in DocuSign. We'll walk through the full process from creating a new envelope to sending it with an expiration setting applied, so your recipient knows exactly how long they have to sign the document. This is a useful feature when you want to keep signing requests time sensitive and avoid documents staying open indefinitely. To begin, log into DocuSign and click Start. This takes you to the area where you can begin creating something new. From there, choose Envelope. This is the option you'll use when you want to send a document out for signature. Next, select Get Signatures. This tells DocuSign that your goal is to prepare and send a document that someone needs to sign. Once you're in that flow, upload the document you want to send for signing. Make sure you've selected the correct file before moving forward, since this will be the document tied to the expiration setting. After uploading the document, add the recipient by entering their name and email address. Be careful here, because the envelope will be sent to the contact information you enter. Once that's done, click Next to open the document preparation screen. This is where you continue setting up the envelope before sending it. Now, go to the envelope settings or options and locate the expiration date section. Depending on your screen layout, this may appear in a settings panel or under additional sending options. The key is to find the expiration controls for the envelope. Under expiration date, choose the number of days until the envelope expires. If one of the preset options works for you, you can select that. If not, choose custom and enter the exact number of days you want. This gives you more flexibility if you're working with a specific deadline or internal policy. Before sending, take a moment to review the expiration setting carefully. Confirm that the number of days is correct and matches the timeline you want for the signer. This quick check helps prevent delays or the need to resend the document later. Once everything looks right, click Send. Your envelope will be sent with the expiration setting applied, and the signing request will remain active only for the time period you selected. That's all it takes to set an envelope expiration date in DocuSign. Thanks for watching.